Hi guys, happy new year to you all. I wish you all a very successful trading year. In addition to the wish, I'm introducing you to our financial market cheat code, which is 3 of the secret ingredients of our trading system. I started this YouTube channel to help as many traders as possible. I believe I'm doing that already, as I have given out a lot of valuable information and trading concepts here that a lot of you are using and are recording success with. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 of our top secrets which I don't intend to reveal to anyone but family members only. However, I am excited about the community we have here and I have decided to share the data with you all. So sit back and pay 100% attention, as you will not want to miss out on this. So make sure you watch the video to the end. If this is your very first time on the channel and you're yet to join the Tom's Capital family, do that right now by clicking the subscribe button and turning on post notification. Without further ado, let's go straight into today's business, which is the 3 institutional data that helps us to see what the institutions are doing every day in the market. How will you feel and how better will your trading system become if you can have access to real and true data of where institutions want to take price to, where they have pending buy or sell orders, as well as an 85% accurate reversal pointer? Go to the comment section right now and post yes if you think access to these 3 data will help your trading system greatly. Don't forget to like this video and share it with other traders, because this will make 2023 the best year for many of you as traders. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, smash the subscribe button right now and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out when the data drops. Let me explain more on each of the 3 data and how it will be presented to you. The first one is what we call institutional pending orders. This will show you the exact price region where institutional pending sell or buy orders has been placed. It may sound ridiculous and untrue to you at the moment, but in the next few weeks, you will realize how very little you know about the market you are trading. The illustration on the screen is how I will be presenting the institutional pending order to you. As you can see in the illustration, you will get 2 price levels, which will mark the high or low above or below which institutional pending orders are placed. You also have arrows showing the direction of the order, that is buy or sell, and the nearest EBITDA price in the pending order zone where the final order will probably be. The second data is called institutional price magnet. It marks price levels where institutions instruct EBITDA to drive price to. This data helps us to understand institutional bias and where we can target that price must definitely hit. This will be presented to you as seen on this illustration. You get the price level with 2 layers of arrows showing its magnetic effect of drawing price. The third data is called VIP bias. It is an output of our direction analysis based on volume, open interest, and price, hence the name VIP, where V represents volume and I stands for open interest and P for price. The VIP analysis helps us to determine market direction with over 85% accuracy. This will be presented as shown in this illustration. You get an arrow showing impending reversal. With access to these 3 data, any trading system will be profitable. You don't have to believe what I'm saying right now. Just stick around for the next 2 months and I promise you that your mind will be blown. I don't intend to share my data source and analysis behind the data with the public, as I said earlier, but I will make the data available on this channel for the next couple of weeks, probably 2 months, so you all can see that it is real and it's magical. The main reason why I can't make this public knowledge is because it's my personal edge in the market, and I understand that the profits I make are the losses of those without access to the data. Making it public will make everyone take the same trade, which kills transaction. There must be sellers for us to buy and buyers for us to sell. I hope you understand me. After the weeks of free access, I'll stop posting it on YouTube for everyone to see, but I'll still make it available for a little monthly subscription. If the subscribers grow too much, I'll raise prices just to limit or control the number of traders with access to the data. The data will be given for currencies with euro, for metals with gold, and for indices with Nasdaq. You can use correlation to apply it to other pairs in the same asset class. For instance, the data on euro will dictate the movement of euro USD, pound USD, New Zealand USD, and other correlated currencies. Similarly, gold data will dictate gold USD and silver USD's direction, and Nasdaq data will definitely dictate the direction of US 30, S&P 500, Russell, and other correlated indices. I promise you this will be one of my greatest gifts to my Tom's Capital family here on YouTube. I'm certain you have no idea how big this is until you start seeing it in action in the coming weeks. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification so that you will be notified when I post the data and you can apply it in your trading system. The data will be released daily. I do my data hunt after market close every day, so if there is any of these three data available, then you will get the video showing you the data as seen in the previous illustrations before London Open. Keep your notifications on as you are about to experience a new dawn in your trading career. This is going to be the end of this video. I will show you how I applied this in my next video using the NFP trade that I took on Friday, so you can have an idea of how you can also infuse it into your personal trading systems. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like this video and share it with other traders to help grow the community and help more traders. Have a good day and happy trading.